Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Uber Eats on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store and then go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Uber Eats. Once you come across this Uber Eats food delivery from Uber Technologies Inc., tap on Install to download the application. Now, wait for the app to download and install on your Android device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on Open to launch Open Uber Eats on your Android phone. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded Uber Eats on Android in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.